Why should computers learn to see? Because old friends can now connect in real time. Because no one should have to go hungry. Because we believe in second chances. From agriculture to cancer detection, computer vision is not only teaching computers what to see, but how to respond to our visual world. At Udacity, we've built the Computer Vision Nanodegree program for students to learn about image processing techniques and methods for object recognition and tracking, so that you can make a deep impact in any field. So why should we teach computers to see? Because the possibilities of what we can build together are limitless.